Mike. I'm always getting him on the mobile, aren't I? Here we go, Sue. The camera's out.
Already.
Next stop, Falmouth. He's here waiting for us at the railway station. How about that? What am I? I'm recording, Skipper.
It gets smaller every time. The little cameras get smaller every time. Then they shrink.
Yeah, I have got the bigger camera with me as well, just in case this one packs in. Well, thanks for having us aboard, Skipper.
Well, glad to welcome back on board. I'm glad to see you.
It's got no candles to blow out. I mean, it's got candles, but they're not lit.
Candles? 4 candles?
Full candle. Oh well, I think this is a little song time, Mike. Don't you? This is a happy birthday time, isn't it?
Happy birthday time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sue. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
Here we are, White Lady. Looking well, nice and proud. And here we have the Major taking a photo.
Let's see.
Well, here we go to Falmouth Bay Oysters Restaurant. Well, we're here, guys. Wow, what we got here? Well done, Val. Have you got a few words for Carol?
Hi, Carol. They are behaving at the moment.
So far.
That's a qualification.
I consider to see that. I must say, but I prefer
What we got here? To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Susan, happy birthday to you.
I'm going to blow them all up.
Bring breast. See, oh my God. We wouldn't have had pudding if we'd known.
Well done.
They're not the ones that we light. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. You got 2 birthday cakes to eat.
Oh no!
Aren't you feeling guilty now?
No.
No.
Wow.
Well, time for cutting the cake.
Anybody trust me to cut the cake?
Just the cake you're cutting.
Are you cutting it in 4 slices?
I'm just cutting it in half.
I want to take half home. Back to the boat.
Back to the boat, I think. There we go.
It might be a good idea to take half back to the boat.
I think possibly even more, because I can't eat much.
Very tricky little manoeuvre here.
Just about.
Well, he got in there all right. Well done, Skipper.
Thank you so much.
Come on, birthday girl.
I'm fading.
You're fading already.
We're going out to celebrate some more.
I faded.
Champagne or something.
Well,
anyway, what we have here in terms of my activities is over there is a crane with a red top.
Yep.
And there's 4 legs sticking up. That's a little jack-up
Yes.
from my business, which is doing the oil terminal. It's putting a new jetty in over there.
Right.
And then this big red crane
Yes.
is on a barge, which is actually a jack-up. And the
We
legs,
saw that when we were coming
the
in.
leg, it's just been down in Chile and it's come back and needs a refit.
And it's all part of the company.
But the legs are over there on the quay. On the but I'm happy that they're all carrying on. You know, it's a lovely feeling. They do things, and they've got 2 scout ups up at Hinkley Point.
So you went in and said, I want a kit.
She said
She wanted a kit.
Yeah, no. We were on the ship. We saw this stuff.
She must be
didn't
slim
And-
because she puts if she puts all her gear on under this, this wouldn't
Yeah, but it's all there.
Well, 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're right on schedule.
Right, you want to take the helm soon?
I think Sue was going to have another siesta, wasn't you? Oh well, bye-bye Falmouth. So we've got southwest winds, Skipper, have we?
Southwest. South winds going southwesterly. And 4 to 6 with heavy rain this afternoon.
Oh, lovely.
So we want to be wherever.
We want to be in by, I reckon we want to be in by 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock at the latest.
You want to go for Plymouth?
So that's Bean's ex-company, yeah?
Iceman or Houseman?
Houseman?
You've got number on it or not?
No.
H-U-I.
Houseman.
H-U-I?
H-U-I-S-M-A-N.
Oh,
Iceman.
that's not even yes.
Or sweet, a well-known German engineering company. There's our cardinal. Indeed. I can't see it. You want to check the chart and everything else?
Right, so that's where Falmouth Bay Oysters was. How about that? They've renovated all the docks here. Well, so we're going to get the sails out. We're going to go sailing. Mr. Jenny.
That's okay.
Oh, it's a nice breeze. Oh, off we go. Well, everyone's deserted me. Here comes the skipper. Looks like we've got some clouds, skipper.
Winds up to 26 knots.
We hope to get half by
Here we are approaching
There's a
Plymouth.
ship coming out here. So watch out, go to port, there's a boy ahead. Go to port!
Drive!
Oh, there's your bloody lobster pots. Right, come round with the port. He's coming out. Hopefully destroy that bloody lobster.
Is that a gun turret there?
Sail down to the jetty.
Have you got the halyard hooked on?
Halyard is still hooked onto the main.
Might be able to follow that yacht. That yacht might be that yacht. That yacht.
I'm standing in the middle.
lunchtime sandwiches behind the
Yes. Boy, it would be rather uncomfortable today.
It's alright, Mike.
Afternoon snack, is that right, Skipper?
This is my light snack after a pretty thin breakfast this morning.
Non-existent well, the soup.
The chef wasn't up to cooking breakfast for us.
Chef's not good in a,
Hangover, was it?
chef's not good in a lumpy sea either.
Well, happy birthday, Sue.
Happy birthday, Sue.
Again,
How do you do it, Sue?
2 days worth.
Time to blow out the cake. Well, well done.
I tell you what, rather than make plates dirty,
Wow, look at this downpour, torrential rain. We got in just in time. Wow, someone's walking out over there. They can be washed away in a minute.
North Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet. Southwesterly 5 or 6. Occasionally 7 at first in Lundy. Moderate or rough. Occasional rain or drizzle with fog patches. Showers later. Moderate. Occasionally very poor. Becoming good later.
Wow, what's the delicacy we got now? From the chef of the day, well done, Sue. The birthday girl.
it's pork. What
With
do you
all
call
sorts.
it?
Well, it's pork semi-carbonara.
Fromage. Carbonara.
Where's your wine glass?
Yeah.
It's got
What a nice,
Still got
comfortable
some
place to
bubbles
be, Mike. All this
White or red?
stormy rain outside. Is it raining, Skipper?
Is it raining? Is it raining?
Oh, hell's teeth. Hope we're snug as bugs in a rug.
Well, this looks a nice day, but it's a little bit misleading, actually. It really blows. Well, now someone's going to go up the mast. Are you ready, Sue?
Dash out the way. So I should go up with me.
And the chef of today is Mike. Well done, Mike. Very good, Skipper.
Haven't tried it yet.
Can't tell you.
So tomorrow is Saturday. We arrive at Weymouth on Saturday. Sunday we could be at Newtown Creek.
We could be in Portsmouth.
Portsmouth.
Well, the skipper's prepared. He's the chef of the day today.
Yep.
Is this the main meal or the starter, Skipper?
This is the starter. Bit of artistic license.
Come on, put your phone down, Mike.
Sending a picture
Try
to
to ring
Sue.
Ingrid for the 15th time today.
No, I'm sending it to Sue, I think.
Well, now departing Plymouth. Lovely sunny morning.
Okay.
this is Drake Island, is it?
This is Drake's Island. We're a very important part of the defence of Portsmouth, of Plymouth. And then looking around here, you're looking at the Plymouth Hole, and that's where Drake apparently was playing balls when the Spanish Armada went past. And that red and white light is Speeton's Tower, which used to be on the Edison, they took it down. And if you a bit further to the right, over there's another dockyard, that's where the Mayflower last called in Britain, having left from the Thames before it went to the New World. So it's a very historic area, looking at it, a very interesting area too.
Yes. Well, that's Plymouth we're leaving behind.
Seems to be having problems up front, doesn't it?
So it's trying to get it sailed out.
Yeah.
Well, we're now at sea. We turned the engine off. Is that right, Mr. Helmsman?
Yep, engine off.
And we're under sail.
And we're just passing the Mewstones and the entrance to the Yelm River, the Newton Narrows. And started it.
Okay, we're now Goose-Wing. Can you take some of the Goose-Wing? And the skipper was just saying it's rather difficult to sail the Goose-Wing. And I actually reminded the skipper he's very lucky to have such a good helmsman on board. Let's have a go at Goose-Wing. Here we are, 6 o'clock in the morning, departed from Brixham. The skipper doing the final preparations, and we're in the helmsman, we're in the capable hands of Mike! It's lovely and fresh though, isn't it? Eh? Beautiful.
And there are people out at the lighthouse already fishing.
Where are they, Mike? Over here?
And the lighthouse over there, people fishing already, 6 o'clock in the morning. They must be on holiday. Let's disturb a few seagulls.
A lovely shot. Nice background, the sun just coming up. Well, here I am, poodling along all on my own. Everyone's deserted me. Mind you, the sea looks so calm, doesn't it? 7 o'clock in the morning. No one about. There's a fishing boat there. Got his nets out. Well, we just found a buoy. And whereabouts are we, Mike?
In Studland Bay, but we are going to actually anchor rather than use the buoy because it looks a bit ropey.
What bay is it?
Studland Bay.
First laid maritime safety information broadcast on the Portsmouth and Bennet areas, listen channel 23. The New Haven, Needles and Deer Head areas, listen channel 86. This broadcast includes information regarding future changes to
It's now gone 8
maritime
o'clock.
information
Just gone 8
broadcast
o'clock at night.
This is Southern Coast Guard.
Well, change your plan. We've dropped an anchor instead. Not too sure about that, boy. Well, I don't think he's going to see us, Mike. It's too dark.
It's too dark.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're just departing from, where are we going from?
Studland Bay.
Right, I want to steer 88 degrees.
88 degrees. It's just to the fishermen.
Yeah. It's a fishing boat there.
Okay.
Well, it's crazy getting daylight, Mike. We're approaching the Needles shortly.
In about 2 hours' time.
Coast Guard over.
Right, Daddy, we're heading for the Needles. I'm just wondering what the visibility is as regards what. We can see no lights, we can see nothing there. We're about 8 miles off. Have you any information?
Yacht White Lady, this is Southern Coast Guard. Apologies, we do not have that information, over.
Guidance.
What is that, Skipper?
That's the shingle. That's a bank of sand that dries at low tide, and it's a very, very dangerous. You can just see the water, white water, and that's where it's breaking over the top of the sand shingles.
We're at the Needles now, aren't we?
The Needles is on the right. That's where the entrance of the lighthouse is. Coming down to the sea. That's the Needles.
I see the white there.
Yeah.
There it is again.
Then round the
So we're in
corner-
safe waters now, yeah?
Round the corner from the lighthouse is Allen Bay. And there's another bay, and then you've got your holiday, one of the holiday camps where people go. But you can now steer for the white light on Hurst Fort.
Yes.
We are eventually going to leave that to port. You see the white light?
Yeah, got it, yeah.
Being pushed down a bit to the left.
You can leave that cardinal to starboard.
Okay, I'm going and
Right, moderate. Drizzle and fine.
I can't see the.
Is that the red boy we've got the anchor
Yep,
over there?
yep.
Moderate, all good. Okay, very poor.
That's it. Well, there we are, Mike, leaving the Needles behind in the background there. Well, here we are approaching Portsmouth, and we're trying to find the transit markings. And look at that mist. There was a boat we was following just now, wasn't there? Was it the ferry, Martin?
Yeah, there's a ferry.
Can you still see it then?
Ferry to Osborne Bay.
Yeah. Oh well. Haven't we had some lovely, gorgeous weather on this trip?
Sarcasm.
Wow. That ferry found the channel.
Yep.
Do you reckon you're going to find it?
Oh yeah. Just follow his wake.
Alright, okay. Over to you, mate. So he's getting wet feet, isn't it? Well, somehow you found that transom, Mike. Don't know how you done it, mate. Oh, with the help of our skipper, of course. That fog's still about though, isn't it? Oh well, time to go. Skipper's filling in a logbook. All right, Skipper. We're all packed, all ready to go. It's a train home.